Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw Jungkook of BTS. Early debut era and pre-debut era, Jungkook was purely him going through his teenage years, shy, socially awkward, introvert. That was Jungkook in a nutshell. He said in an interview that he used to be so shy that he would wait for his members to sleep and then go take his bath. He was a teenager trying to find his ways, not only his career but also in his life with his six other Hyungs. Compared to then, I believe he is more critical of how to achieve perfection with his talent, which he refined within the years. He has definitely become sensitive of his and others' emotion. Jungkook is just like a sponge who absorbed qualities and traits from other members. It is simple. Jungkook is the type of person that will make you fall for him. Jungkook is currently the most popular and one of the ace of K-pop. Jungkook has it all. Visual, perfect body, money, kind, young, successful, unique personality, and so on. He is a total cutie. He has adorable habits where he frowns when he likes the food. He has a habit where he always smells Hosek's hair. He always covers his ear when feeling shy and cover his nose when he yawns, which is so cute. And lastly, you are not freak, but unique.